because that's how we got in trouble in the first place. Every single one of us. We didn't listen to the voice of the Father. We didn't listen to the Creator's voice. We didn't listen to the Master's voice. And Jesus gives us an example of being the perfect, faithful steward. That's why Jesus, Paul would talk about him as being the second Adam, the new Adam who does it right this time. He doesn't eat the fruit. He doesn't listen to the serpent's voice. He doesn't listen to any voice except for his Father's voice, and he serves him faithfully. And so now in him, he can restore us so that we can also be God's faithful stewards. And so that's where we're going. That's what we're going to talk about through the rest of this series. We're going to talk about what it looks like now that Jesus is beginning to restore us to be a new kind of humanity. A humanity, the humanity we were supposed to be in the beginning. What does it look like as he restores us to be faithful stewards?